Oh wow, okay. As you can see, this is Chris from the Tech Basement once again, coming to you with an Origin PC from AMD. AMD had a VLAN party 2 Fridays ago, and it was fun. I did not get to play, but I got to chat with some people. I got to watch other people play, see what some of the games were like, and enter into the Origin PC giveaway. I would first of all like to say major thank you to Origin and AMD that made this all possible. All those people, the moderators that were there at the VLAN, everybody that put everything together, thank you very much. It was a good time, and I plan on attending more of them. Not just because of this, but because of how much fun it is. If you haven't been to AMD Vlan, make sure you do. If you're on Twitter, go ahead and follow AMD Gaming. That's where you'll hear about those announcements, things like that. Okay, with all that being said, let's get down to business and let's get this open. Okay everyone, you've seen the unboxing now. I hope you liked it. There will be more to come. I will go ahead and bench this, and if you guys ask for something else, I'll be more than happy to do that. I also think I'm going to try the VR on this, see how well it runs with that, which I'm sure it's not going to have any problems with, but I'm going to want to play with it that way after I'm done benching this. So thank you once again, AMD and Origin, for the PC. It's awesome. I haven't fired it up yet, but I'm expecting a lot of good things from what I've heard from reviews from Origin PCs by reviewers and the people that have bought it that have just written up their own reviews. So I'm very psyched to dig into this, but that's another video. So with that all being said, please do those things that you do. Like, dislike, put comments down below, and by all means, please subscribe and hit that notification button, and you'll receive more notifications about things like this. This is Chris saying out.